Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. So before starting the video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up Facebook on your Android and iOS, and once the Facebook is opened up you need to tap on your profile picture at the top right here, and then you need to tap on the gears option at the top right here, and then you will tap on profile settings and then tap on privacy. And if you scroll down here you can see that who can see your friends list. Okay, so just tap on this one, and if in your case if it's set to public or friends of friends, change it from them to only me. So what this will do is that only you can see your friend list. If it's set to only me here, then only you can see your friends list. Okay, so that's you can basically hide mutual friends on Facebook. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.